Hey friends, welcome back to Math Defined. Today we're focusing on finding the surface area of cylinders. A cylinder is a solid with two identical circular bases and a curved surface that connects them. That curved part is like a label wrapped around a can. The good news? There's an easy formula that we can use to find the surface area of any cylinder. So grab your notes and let's dive in. Let's start with this cylinder. The circular bases each have a radius of 6 yards, and the height, which is the distance between the two bases, is 9 yards. The formula that we're going to use is the same one we use for finding the surface area of prisms. Surface area is the area of the two circular bases plus the perimeter or circumference of one circular base times the height of the cylinder. Breaking this down a little further, we'll find the area of the two circular bases by multiplying 2 times pi times the radius squared, plus the perimeter, or the circumference of one circular base, pi times diameter times the height of the cylinder. Now we just plug in the given information from the diagram into the formula. Starting with the area of the bases, 2 pi times 6 squared, plus pi times the diameter, which is 12 because the diameter is twice the radius, times 9, the height of the cylinder. Following the order of operations, we'll square the 6. 6 times 6 is 36, and 36 times 2 pi is 72 pi. Then multiplying 12 by 9, we get 108 pi. Adding these two like terms together, we get 180 pi. We could leave our answer the way it is, or we could simplify it further by multiplying 180 times the approximate value of pi, 3.14, to get a total surface area for this cylinder as 565.2 square yards. Let's try another one using the formula. First, we find the area of the two bases using 2 pi times the radius squared. The given radius is 3 centimeters, so 2 pi times 3 squared. Then we'll add the circumference of one base using pi times diameter. The diameter is twice the radius, 3 times 2 is 6, and the height of the cylinder is 18. Again, following the order of operations, we'll square the 3 and then multiply it by 2 pi to get 18 pi. Next, we'll multiply 6 and 18 to get 108 pi. Adding the like terms together gives us 126 pi. Simplifying it further, we'll multiply 126 by 3.14 to get an approximate surface area of 395.6 square centimeters. Let's change it up a bit. What if we only wanted to wrap the curved part of the cylinder, not the top or bottom? That's called lateral surface area. To find lateral surface area, we multiply pi times the diameter of the circular base times the height of the cylinder. The radius is 3 centimeters, so the diameter is twice that, or 6 centimeters, and the height of the cylinder is 4 centimeters. Now we multiply 6 and 4 to get 24 pi. The last step is to multiply 24 by 3.14 to get the approximate lateral surface area. So you would need about 75.4 square centimeters of paper to wrap the curved part of the cylinder. It's like making a new label for a can. Let's try one more. Since we're finding only the lateral surface area again, we'll use the formula pi times diameter times the height of the cylinder. From the diagram, we have 4 inches for the diameter and 10 inches for the height of the cylinder. Next, we multiply 4 by 10 to get 40 pi. Then we finish it up by multiplying 40 to 3.14. So the lateral surface area is 125.6 square inches. Awesome job today! Now that you know how to find the area of a cylinder, you're ready to move on to our next lesson in this course, how to find the surface area of pyramids. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and hey, if you made it all the way to the end, Drop a green heart in the comments so I know you're part of our Math Defined crew. Until next time, keep math awesome.